Hello and welcome to Tech24, your ultimate destination for the latest in high-tech gadgets and home appliances. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the Dyson V15 Detect Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This is not just any ordinary vacuum, it's the most powerful intelligent cordless vacuum on the market. With its laser illumination, this vacuum is engineered for whole home, deep cleans. It's perfect for homes with pets, and it even reveals microscopic dust with its precisely angled laser on hard floors. The Dyson V15 Detect Cordless Vacuum intelligently optimizes suction and run time based on dust level and floor type, ensuring that you get the right balance of power and run time when you need it. Its powerful motor and advanced cleaner heads make it versatile for deep cleaning, and it even converts to a handheld for cleaning cars, stairs, and upholstery. That's not all, this vacuum also features advanced whole machine filtration, trapping 99.99% of particles and dust as small as 0.3 microns. Plus, with its 2-year warranty and lifetime Dyson support, you can have peace of mind knowing that you're investing in a high-quality product. So, if you're ready to take your cleaning routine to the next level, click the link in the description below to get your hands on the Dyson V15 Detect Cordless Vacuum Cleaner today. Don't miss out on this innovative and powerful cleaning solution. Subscribe to Tech24 and upgrade your home cleaning experience now.